Lukot na katapi.
Previously, we got to try the Jundok chewy cookie. Yung may pistachio filling from a different shop. And today, we're gonna try it again from the Daily Bakes. This is actually a pre-order item. Order ako sa kanila last week. And today lang siya available. This is what it looks like. May pag-gold leaf flakes sila. The packaging though is very premium. I'm gonna try it today. Comes in a thermal bag kasi bukod dito sa chewy cookie, order din ako na itong pistachio katafi milk chocolate bar nila. So let's open this first. Ooh, look. This is what it looks like. Ayan siya. Unlike yung previous in-order natin na naka-individual tray siya. Ito, yun lang. Ito siya. I'm gonna go have my first bite na.
Guys, this is so good. I'm gonna have another one. Another bite just to process my thoughts. Joey cookie from a different store from the first video. Hindi ko siya naubos. But I feel like mauubos ko to. Lukot na katapi. Maubos ko nga. Price-wise, mas mahal to actually. Yung previous store, 110 pesos yung isang chewy cookie. And then it's 400 per box. Yung first store. But this is 800 pesos. So, double yung price niya. Pero, tapos ito pa pre-order. Pero it's really worth the wait. It's really good.